Today's storm also knocked out power to thousands of customers.
Let's take a look at the power outage map that Mark Baden has put together for us. You can see the largest number there, 14,000 over in Waukesha County.
12 News' Hannah Hilliard is live in Milwaukee near the West Allis border. Hannah, some people have been without power for hours now.
Right, Kristen and Derek. So we are at the intersection of Holly and Main here in Milwaukee, but it is right near the West Allis border where about 200 customers have been without power for much of the day. Within the last 5 minutes, I actually got a text from one of the residents that I spoke with earlier today saying their power was back on. In fact, we saw the stoplight here at the intersection start to flash red. But then about 2 minutes later, if we can pan over and show this transformer there that you see about 30 or so yards away from us exploded. We heard a loud boom, and then these stoplights, they went out yet again, and now folks are having to use it as a four-way stop here. Now, for those residents who have been without power here in this area, they tell me it's been since about 8 o'clock this morning. We caught up with one family using their wood-burning fireplace to stay warm inside. Again, the resident telling me that she does have power back, but I have not heard from her since that transformer blew. Now, region-wide, the number of outages hovered around 13,000 for much of the day, but as this snow has picked up this afternoon, it's now hovering around 25,000 region-wide.
I work from home, so I start at 8 o'clock. I'm sitting at my computer, and then I seen about 8:20 a big flash run through my house, and no power.
And it's been like that since?
Since.
What have you been doing?
Well, thankfully my husband's home because he travels a lot, so we're going through closets and drawers and trying to keep ourselves moving so you're not, just sitting still doing nothing.
Whatever works. And Hannah, where are those outages the worst right now?
Well, obviously, Kristen, we're seeing the city of Milwaukee with the most power outages for customers. It's around nearly 6,000 people without power. But explaining that Waukesha County number might be that recently we've seen it really jump up in New Berlin. They're sitting at about 5,000 customers without power right now.
And hopefully it won't be that long until it's restored. Hannah Hilliard reporting live in Milwaukee.